before machines ruled the world, before cities filled the skyline with smoke and steel. Life moved slowly. For centuries, most people lived by the rhythm of the land. Families worked from their homes, spinning thread by hand, weaving cloth, and farming small plots of land. Everything was made with care, patience, and time. But in the late 1700s, something changed. Something that would reshape humanity forever. Welcome to the Industrial Revolution. It all began with simple ideas. Water turning wheels, coal feeding fire, and human ambition pushing boundaries. But behind these ideas were real changes shaping the world. By the mid-17th century, Britain was uniquely prepared for transformation. It had rich coal and iron reserves, expanding trade networks, and a growing population ready for work. Rivers and canals powered early machines, while new inventions began to multiply human effort. In 1769, James Watt improved the steam engine, making it powerful and reliable enough to drive factories. Soon after, Richard Arkwright built the world's first modern factories, using water power to produce cloth on an unprecedented scale. And in 1764, James Hargreaves's spinning jenny allowed one worker to spin multiple threads at once, revolutionizing textile production. But these inventions were only the beginning. As machines grew more powerful, production accelerated at a pace never seen before. Factories multiplied, drawing workers from the countryside into rapidly growing towns. Entire landscapes were reshaped by industry. Rivers redirected, canals carved, and railways laid across the land. By the early 1800s, steam engines powered not just factories, but locomotives and ships. Goods that once took weeks to move could now travel in days. Cities expanded outward, and Britain became the world's first industrial nation. Textiles, iron, and coal formed the backbone of this new economy. Iron production soared as new techniques made stronger, cheaper metal possible. Steam-powered locomotives soon connected towns and ports, accelerating trade on a global scale. But progress came at a cost. Long working hours, dangerous machinery, and crowded living conditions defined daily life for many workers. Children labored alongside adults. Air and water became polluted. Yet, despite the hardship, innovation continued, shaping modern industry, technology, and society itself. By the mid-19th century, the Industrial Revolution had transformed not just Britain, but the world. It redefined how people lived, worked, and connected, laying the foundations of the modern age.